A linear polynomial is an algebraic expression of the first degree, meaning the highest exponent of the variable is exactly 1. Core definition. The standard form of a linear polynomial in one variable is p of x equals ax plus b. Variables, the unknown value. A variable can be any trait, condition, or factor that can change by only differing amounts, or it is the unknown term whose value is not known. Constant, fixed. A constant is actually a value that is a fixed number on its own. For example, in the equation 9 minus x equals 5, 9 and 5 are two constants. An expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operation symbols, like plus, minus, times, divide. It behaves like a phrase in a language. It expresses an idea, but is not a complete sentence. An equation is a statement that two algebraic expressions are equal. It behaves like a full sentence with a verb. A coefficient is usually the number that is multiplied by the variable or ladders. For example, in 5x plus y minus 7, 5 is a coefficient of x in the term 5x because it is a number that is multiplied by the unknown variable x. Terms are the values that are always separated by signs plus or minus. Sometimes terms are also a part of the sequence, which is separated by commas. In the expression 3a plus 8, 3a and 8 are terms. Like terms. Like terms are the terms having the same variables raised to the same power. In 5x plus y minus 7, no variable is common, therefore no like terms. In 5a plus 2b minus 3a plus 4, the terms like 5a and minus 3a are like terms, whereas 4 is constant. What is polynomial? The word polynomial is derived from the word poly, many, and nominal, term. It is an expression consisting of many terms such that each term holds at least one variable. It always has a finite sum of terms with all variables having whole number exponents and no variable as a denominator. Polynomials are composed of the following: constants, such as 3, -20, or 1/2, etc. Variables, such as g, h, x, y, etc. Exponents, such as 2 in y squared, or 5 in x5, etc. Examples of polynomials: 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 13, and x squared y cubed plus xy. Degree of a polynomial. It is simply the highest of the powers or exponents on the terms present in the algebraic expression. Example: in 7x minus 5, the first term is 7x, whereas the second term is -5. The power on the variable of the given first term is 1, and on the second term is 0. Since the highest exponent is 1, the degree of the polynomial is also 1. Types of polynomials. Polynomials can be classified on the basis of number of terms, degree of a polynomial. Classification on the basis of terms. A polynomial either has one term, two terms, three terms, or more than three terms. Monomials. Mono stands for one, and mile stands for terms. Thus, an algebraic expression with one term is called a monomial. Binomials. Bi stands for two, and mile stands for terms. Therefore, an algebraic expression with two unlike terms is called binomials. Trinomials. Tri stands for three, and mile stands for terms. Thus, an algebraic expression with three unlike terms is called trinomials. Classification on the basis of degrees. The degree of polynomial is considered as the highest value of the exponent in the expression because it is the largest exponent. Constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Linear polynomial. If the expression holds degree 1, then we can call it a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If the expression holds degree 2, then it can be called a quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. If the expression holds degree 3, then it will be called a cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. Standard form of polynomials. Polynomial powers of the variables must be either in an ascending or descending order. Zeros of polynomials. If the value of every coefficient of a variable is 0, then it is called the zeros of a polynomial. A linear pattern is a sequence of numbers where the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Linear growth refers to a pattern in which a quantity increases by a fixed amount over equal intervals. Linear growth is represented by a straight line with positive slope. Linear decay describes a pattern in which a quantity decreases by a fixed amount over equal intervals. Linear decay is represented by a straight line with a negative slope. Parallel lines are of the form y equals ax plus b, where the slope a is fixed while b, the y-intercept, varies. A linear relationship between two variables x and y is represented by a straight line y equals ax plus b. The slope of this line is a. The constant b is called the y-intercept, which is the distance from the origin where the line cuts the y-axis. When b equals 0, the equation of the line becomes y equals ax, and the line passes through the origin. Indian algebra, Bijaganita, evolved from ritual geometric problems into a highly advanced system of symbolic notation. It pioneered the use of negative numbers, 0, and general solutions for quadratic and indeterminate equations, deeply influencing Islamic and European mathematics.